the last night's final were more than just a match. That was a statement that has been given out by the Men in Blue. The final that went down to the wire as a last over finish that sealed India's 9th title. But what followed after the win was far bigger than the scoreboard. Team India refused to accept the medals and the trophy from Mohsin Naqvi, who attended the president's presentation as the ACC president. But the Men in Blue sent out a loud and clear message. They were there on the field but refused to actually come up on the stage to accept the trophy, saying that we will play the game but we will not bow. Now, the presentation ceremony turned into a theatre of defiance, delayed by nearly an hour as stunned Pakistani team locked itself in the dressing room. Well, now this is coming at a time when we are looking at the Indian players. They were very much there visible on the field, but they decided as far as when it comes to an act of defiance, because this is now coming at a time where India has decided that they will play cricket with Pakistan, but as far as when it comes to even handshakes, acknowledging when it comes to the Pakistani team, and even when it comes to accepting the trophies and the medals, this is something that goes beyond. And acceptance as far as India, which is now being crowned as the champions after a thrilling win, but was not awarded with the trophy, and there is a reason behind it. Now, when we are looking at these developments that have been taking place, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that this is yet another example of Operation Sindoor, but this time on the cricket field. But the result, however, will remain the same. Let's put out what BJP's Amit Malviya has now said over this victory, that India and Pakistan facing for the first time ever in a finale of the Asia Cup 2025. He says that India refused to accept the Asia Cup and medals because the Asian Cricket Council chairman Mohsin Naqvi, who is also the head of the Pakistan Cricket Board and the Interior Minister of Pakistan, insisted on presenting them. We not only slammed Pakistan on the field, but also put Naqvi in his place, a chief propagandist for the terror state that is Pakistan, and this is the new India. Now, when the PCB chief and the ACC president Naqvi finally walked on the stage, he was met with loud boos and Bharat Mata Ki Jai chants. One by one, the Indian players chose the principle over protocol, refusing to walk up, refusing to shake hands, refusing to take the trophy. Only 3 players who came up to collect individual honours, and the cup itself were rather left untouched. Let's get you a ground report.
The Indian team has won the Asia Cup, and the Indian fans are, of course, very, very excited. They are at the Dubai International Stadium at this moment. All India jerseys over here. We will, of course, speak to them as well. Please step forward. Ma'am, how are you feeling? We've won the Asia Cup. We've beaten Pakistan thrice in this tournament.
Yes, we are so happy. It was a nail-biting match. Both the teams played well. We're so happy that India has won the trophy.
There's a very little fan here as well. Who's your favorite player? Do you have any message to the Indian team? Okay, are you proud of the Indian team? Yeah. She's proud of the Indian team. So if I can request you to come into the frame as well. You know, the Indian jersey, the India flags on your face. How does it feel, Asia Cup champion?
It feels so good. It was a tight match. We loved the whole sporting event. It was amazing. Congrats, India. India! India!
Ma'am, actually, I want to ask, during the last over, did you feel your heart palpitate? How did it feel?
I came first time, I saw first match. That's why India wins.
There's another fan over here. She's, wrapped in the Indian flag, and she's, of course, very proud of the Indian team. Any special message to any special player?
No, but I just want to say I'm very happy of the win. Last time I came, we didn't win, but this time we won.
This time the Indian team made you happy?
Yes, very.
So I request you to step forward as well. The India win excitement is there amongst the fans. So what is your message to the Indian team? We have won this Asia Cup. We are the champions. We have been undefeated throughout the tournament.
We didn't expect anything less than this team. They are a good team, and they made us proud yet again.
But did you feel the jitters when Abhishek got out? We were 20 for 3. Did you feel like, oh my God, what's happening?
The kind of batting lineup we have, we knew that we can pull it along.
So, more Indian fans?
Never a doubt.
More Indian fans here as well, sir. What did you think about the match today? How does it feel to be the Asia Cup champions? Just be in the frame, sir.
Very happy for India, and Pakistan also played very well, but India is always a better team, and
India is always a better team.
We love it. Thank you.
India
Pakistan always.
And there are some little fans
India!
here as well. They also want to say something. Tell me,
Say something. How do you enjoy the match?
who's your favorite player?
India, jeetega.
The chanting should be on the camera and not behind it. But yeah, this is what the feeling is at this moment, where the fans are very, very excited that India has won the Asia Cup, that we are the champions of Asia, and we've beaten Pakistan not once, not twice, but thrice in this competition itself. So there's a lot to look forward to. More and more fans coming in here. We will of course try and speak to more fans as well. As many India jerseys as I see here, a lot of the fans very, very proud of the Indian team. Ma'am, we are the Asia Cup champions. What is your message to the team?
Yeah, it was a great game, and yeah, they win that. Yeah, the batting and everything was.
I see a lot of victory signs as well being flashed here by people who are passing by the Times Now camera. Sir, request you to please come forward. Tell us, how does it feel?
It was a great game, and it's really worth paisa vasool.
पैसा वसूल?
Perfect.
सर थोड़ा सा बीच में डर लगा जब अभिषेक चला गया.
अभी कोई डर नहीं. फिर मेरा लोग मालूम इंडिया जीतेगा. इतना पावरफुल.
आज का तिलक वर्मा के लिए.
तिलक वर्मा क्या बोलना है, वही चला आज.
मैं देख रही थी फैंस कह रहे थे कि विराट कोहली नहीं है तो हरीश राव के लिए तिलक वर्मा है.
तिलक वर्मा ने सही विराट कोहली का रोल आज किया गेम. और हमें हरीश रॉफ चाहिए गेम जीतने.
कितने एक्साइटेड है कि इंडिया एशिया कप जीत चुका है, एंड वी आर द चैंपियंस.
You know that this is for India. Not a single game they lost in Asia Cup. So
Yeah,
this is
we are undefeated.
and
Yes.
140 is a very low score for India.
Yeah, but
we were expecting 180 when the game started.
But did you have any palpitations towards the end?
When we
Last
were
over
20
10 runs is never easy.
In initial 20 overs, 20 runs, 3 wickets was a bit terrifying. But the game what Tilak Verma has shown, the maturity with Sanju Samson
Yeah.
was amazing, spot on.
Tilak Verma was amazing today is what the fans are feeling here, and they have only words of appreciation
India.
for the Indian team, who has performed very, very well, who's been undefeated in this Asia Cup, in this tournament. So obviously a lot of the fans are very, very happy. They are coming into the cameras, waving, and I can request more fans to come in here and speak to us about what this win feels like, and what would you want to say?
It was an amazing match. Pakistan really played well, but at the end India wins, and that was a very close game. The boys could not have done better than that.
We've been undefeated in this tournament.
That's absolutely nice. But
Well, let's connect with Tetri now. Tetri, good morning. The boys did well. In fact, they did fantastic. India are the Asia Cup champions after beating Pakistan by